Talk to me in English.
Of course, the train to the city center leaves from platform 3. Just go straight down this corridor, follow the signs, and you'll find it on your left. The next one is at 9:15. I'd recommend heading there at least 10 minutes early since they sometimes check tickets at the platform entrance, and it can get a bit crowded. Yes, it does have Wi-Fi. It's free, but it can be a little unreliable, especially when the train is passing through tunnels or remote areas. You can use the ticket machines. They're right near the main entrance. They're pretty easy to use, and there's usually an option for English if needed. No problem at all. Have a great trip and enjoy your time in the city.